Okay guys, today's going to be my 2-minute fix drawing. As you can see, this is like a front view of a car. So I've just drawn it a second picture here just so I can work on it. And I've just got a Faber-Castell brush pen for this, just so I can go quickly across and just sketch these shapes in. So let's do these lights in again. And I'm just being quite rough with this, I'm just having fun with it. You can do this in neater with a ruler and stuff. So I'm just doing that bumper. I keep that bumper nice and straight, parallel to the ground. Let's do a ground level. And let's do his wheels straight down. Then the inside edge, it's kind of a little bit of mechanism there. Let's just do a few lights there. Maybe let's bring these wheels out further. Maybe some wheel arches sticking out. Now these wing mirrors are not the same, so we're going to make them equal. And instead we're just going to do a little rectangle with the line going up. And then for the roof, we're just going to do an inside edge. Then we can do the grill. And then just do a little bit of detail on the lights. Then let's just do a review mirror and a steering wheel. Just like so. And then I'm just going to clean this up a little bit by just smoothing out some of these lines, darkening up some areas. Let's maybe make the bottom of this all dark to give that nice contrast. Just like so. Maybe let's add some fog lamps at the top. Maybe like a CB radio wire going up. Okay guys, this has been my 2-minute fix for my car drawing. And hope this video helps you, and I'll see you later.